So then please, in the example number 2, this length and this length, right, is equal. Right? So now I am going to explain this question. Right? Right? Okay. I will first draw this in the board. Stop sharing. Right. I'll clear the board. Right. So it is something like this. First of all, I will draw the thing. None of you send me the homework, sir. How will you get right? None of you send me. Right. So example area lesson. Page number 7. Example number 2. Right? Page number 7. Example number 2. So there is a rectangle like this. Right? There is a rectangle like this, and there is a three-quarter of a circle down there. Right? Three-quarter of a circle. And from here to here, there is an sect of a circle like this. Sect of a circle. Right? Right? And I told you to mark this length equals this length. Right? And other lengths have been given. Right? The other lengths have been given. So I will mark the length. Right? And also this angle is 60 degrees. Right? This angle is 60 degrees. So you have to find the area, right, inside this thick border. Group 2 එකට ඇල්ලක් කියන සර් මට thick border එක හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණා. හරි. පිරිමිල පොතේ කියලා මට thick border එක හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණා ඒක. මං දන්නේ නැහැ. මාර සීන් එක. හරි. මෙහෙම thick border එකක් තියෙනවා. And you have a dash border. So you have to find it out. What is my thick border and what is my dash border? Right? So this part you have to find the. I will color it. हमने color करा. Maybe in this part you have to find the area. Right? All the other parts have been removed. Right? So what are the parts that have been removed? This right angle triangle on the left corner. Right? And this sector of the circle has been removed. This sector of the circle, right, removed. This right angle triangle has been removed from this. And addition to that, this part of circle has been added. Attached. So I will mark the things that we have to find the area, right? So basically what you need to know is the concept behind that, right? So you can write the total area of the figure, right? Area of the figure like this. right? I will mark this rectangle as A. Sorry, right angle triangle as A. This sector of the circle as B. Right? For my easiness, I will mark them. This top right angle triangle as A. I will label it as A. And this sector of the circle as B. Then this sector of the circle, 3/4 of the circle as C. Right? I will mark this as C. Right. So the story is when you have a rectangle. You know how to find the area of a rectangle, no? Length into breadth. Right? From that rectangle, you have been removed area of A, that is your right angle triangle, area of the right angle triangle, and you have removed the area of this sector of circle, right? Remove from that rectangle. And in addition to that, you have added this C so that you can find the total area of the figure like this, right? First of all, you need to find the area of the rectangle. I will write area, right, of the rectangle, right? Today, I am telling you to how to approach to the answer, right? I am telling you to, right, understand the way how you are going to approach for the answer, right? Area of the rectangle. Then you are going to remove, that means you are going to subtract area of A. You are going to subtract this. And at the same time, you are going to subtract this area of B as well. Mega type. And to this, I am going to add area of C. So if you found right, if you found this area, this area, this area, and this area, this question is done. Okay, now I am going to mark the lengths. Right? I will mark the lengths. Right? So here this is 12, mega 12. Then this total length is 19 centimeters. All of them are centimeters. Huh? From here to here, 19. And this length is 12 meter. So if this length is 19, if this length is 12, so same length, same length. So this length you can find meter, right? This is 7. 19 minus 12. This length equal this length. That means if this is 12, this should be 12. Then 19 minus 12, 7. This length has been given as 5. Take a 5. Right. So if this length is 5, this length is 12, and this radius is what? 7. This radius is 7. And radius is 7. Right? You know, I think you can see, right? This radius is 7. Right. Now all the lengths done, right? Okay. So now I need to find this radius as well. If I want to complete this. But I may complete now, I want to find this radius. Right? So you know this is A because I have named it as A. Right? I have named it as A. Right. So, what is next? So, step by step. So, you can find the rectangle by multiplying area of the rectangle by multiplying 19 and 12. I will do that first. Right? I'll do it here. Area of the rectangle. Right? So, how to find that? 19 multiplied by 12. 19 multiplied by 12. 19 multiplied by 2. So multiply 2 times 9, 18, 13, 9, 220. Right? 220. Right? Then can we find area of A? No. Before finding area of A, we have to find this R. When you move around. How to find R? Formula we find R. This is an right angle triangle. So I will draw it separately so you can see it. So this length is 7. This length is 5. You have to find this R when you make hypotenuse. When you hear the word hypotenuse, you need to remember how to find R. Right? This is a right angle triangle. You have to apply what? Pythagorean relationship. So very easily, I am going to apply Pythagorean relationship, right, on A. Right? A කියන rectangle, I am going to apply the Pythagorean relationship. Right? So you have to write all the things up. Right. So I know how to apply. I need to find R. So this is the length R. R squared equals 5 squared plus 7 squared. You know 5 squared is 25. 7 squared is 49. Right. 25 plus 49 means 5, 9, 40, 1, 7. 74. R squared is 74. Right. Right. So I am going to obtain the value of R. R is equal to 74 square root of 74 centimeters. Right? I am not going to simplify it. Right? You will get it later. Identify right? I am not going to waste my time on finding the square root of 74. If you want, you can find. Right? But you will understand a day. I don't need to find that square root of 74 later. Right? R is this. Right. Now I can find the area of B. Right? So, area of B. How to find the area of B? That is a sector of a circle. So you know that, right? Portion of the circle into 5r square. Portion of the circle into 5r square. How to find the portion of the circle of this part B? 60 divided by 360. Right? 60 divided by 360 means portion of the circle. And 5r square. 5r square. Right? Now I am going to simplify this. Right? Area of B. Equals 60 divided by 360 multiply 5 means 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7 multiply. Now, what is r square? What is r square here? R square what? Did we find it? Yes, me. R is equal to this. R squared is this, me. What time? To be. Giddy within theorem. R square 74. Right? This R squared is this 74. If you found the square root of 74, aparadi. That is a waste of time. So R squared is 72. Well, I need you to calibrate your eyes on those things. මතකද ගිය සතියේ මම කිව්ව එක හැදුව එක අමුතු එක හරිද අමුතු ගානක් හැදුවා මතකද හරිද so that's it right done right you have to simplify that so 0 to 0 6 times 1 6 times 6 here 2 times 3 2 times 11 so multiply 74 by 11 right? So 11 by 240, right? And divide by 21. Right? 74 multiplied by 11. 74 plus 70. 4, 11, yes, 8. 804. Yes. Right? 814 divided by 21. Right? So 840 divided by 21. Up to 1 decimal place, I will find the answer. Right? So here, how many 21s are there for 81? There should be 3, right? 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 6. Get the subtraction. 11 minus 3, 8. 7 minus 6, 1. Take this one, 184. 21 times 8. 8, right? 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16, right? Well, get the subtraction. 14 minus 8, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Yes. This is 160. 38.7. Right? So your answer should be for the area of B 38.7 centimeters. Actually, this part is not needed. That is the solution part, right? Rough sketch. So area of B is done. Now we have found this one and this one. Now we need area of A. Or not area of yes. We have found area of area of B. Yes, we have found area of B. Now we are going to find the area of A. So you know that how to find area of A. That is a very basic triangle area of A. How to find the area of a triangle? Half multiply length of base. I will take 5. Multiply the height. Height is 7. Right? 87. Here also centimeter to the power 2. Because area, right? Square centimeters. Here also is square centimeters. Right? 5 into 7, 35. 35 divided by 2. So what is the value? 35 divided by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 17.5 square centimeters. 17.5. That is also done. Area of C. Right. Area of C. How to find it? You know how to find. Area of C. That is again what the set of a circle, but at once you can decide the angle at the center. Can anyone tell me what's the angle at the center of the part C? Last week also I asked the same question.
270.
270.
2 centimeters.
Dinugi is here. Yes. Dinugi, what is the angle at the center? Mario, what's the magnitude? Mihara, Satika, is it 90? Oh, the other one, the reflection. Yes, sir. Yes, reflection. Correct. So you can easily decide, right? If this is 90 degrees, the angle at the center of this center of the circle is 270, right? That means you can directly apply 3 upon 4 of the circle. No need to simplify 270 divided by 360, so on and so forth. So you can directly apply 3 upon 4 is the portion of the circle and 5 is 22 upon 7. Right? 5 r square, like here, when right? Portion of the circle into 5 r square, because you are finding the area of a sector of a circle. Right? So r, radius r, right? 7 centimeters. 5 r square, 7 times 7, because r squared, r into r, 7 into 7, unit is square centimeters. Unit is square centimeters. Right? 7 times 1, 7 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 11. Right? 11 into 7, 77. 77 into 3. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 7, 21. 23. 231 in the numerator. Denominator, you are having 2 square centimeters, and you have to divide this 2 times 1, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 5, 115.5 square centimeters. 115.5 square centimeters. Right. Now, all the areas has been found. Now, right? All the things are done. We have to just substitute the single values here, here, so that we can find the total area of the figure. Right? I will write total area. Right? Area of the rectangle 228 square centimeters. 228. Right? And from that I have to subtract area of A 17.5. Subtract 17.5. From that I have to subtract area of B. Area of B is 38.7. Right? All of them are square centimeters. So I will put it at the end. And area of C you have to add. Finally you have to add 115.5. 115.5. And closing brackets. Since my square centimeters is common, I will put it out of the bracket. I will put it out of the bracket. Right. Okay. So you have to simplify this and take the answer. So I will simplify 228 and plus 150 because they are positive numbers, so that I can add them together. Directly I can add them. 228, 115.5. So 0.5, 3, 1, 4, 343.45, right? 43.5. Then these are, two of them are negative numbers, so I can add them. Then finally I can subtract. 38.7. 56.2 I have to subtract from this. Right? 3, 13 minus 6, 7. Here you have 3, again 13, 13 minus 5, 8. So the answer should be 287.3 square centimeters. This should be the final answer. Today, you need to try this at home. Try and try to obtain this answer 287.3 square centimeters at last. You have to think a lot, right? You have to apply the basic things, right? How to find the area of the sector of the circle, and how to find the R by applying the Pythagorean relationship, right? So on and so forth. So lot of concepts are there. Right? So this is your answer. And this should be your answer. And Uday, do you have any questions from that?
No, sir.
Understood perfectly?